Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to connect your Xbox One to a monitor without using a HDMI cable. Okay, all you will need for this connection we got this cable off Amazon for £8, and it's a standard HDMI to DVI input. And what you need to do is
first of all, make sure your monitor has a DVI connection, and then you plug the DVI into this slot here and then pull it down to your Xbox One. I'm now connecting the cable
to the monitor. Alright, nice and firm. And what you want to do is I'm going to thread it down to my Xbox One. There we go. As you can see, the cable is here. Okay, you want to plug this cable into the TV socket of your Xbox One, which is right next to your power socket, right here. Yep, right there. Okay, plug it in. Then what you want to do is you want to turn your Xbox One on. What you want to do now is to change your monitor over to DVI. Once it's done this, it should show the Xbox One screen. There we are. Right. So the only drawback with this method of getting the Xbox One on a monitor is that you won't have sound, and because your monitor will have to have a HDMI connection from your Xbox One to your monitor to give you sound, as we don't. We can't really add any external speakers to this. I'm pretty sure there's a way around this, but I couldn't find anything out. I hope this helps you guys, and please leave a like and a comment just saying if this helps you, and thanks.